Hi everyone, it's Ashley from Shop Your Cutie Boutique on Poshmark and Ebay, and I'm back with box number 3 of 4 from my 200-pound reseller rescue box haul from Thredup. I hope you've seen the other 2 videos. If not, that's okay. So far, we've gotten an okay mixture of clothes. Box number 1 was probably the best so far, so I'm hoping maybe we'll get lucky again with box number 3. So these are massive, I don't know if you can tell, giant 50-pound boxes. I bought the 200-pound rescue box and it comes in 4. So we're gonna open up box number 3 and we're gonna go through it and see what we got. This one is packed full. See some things with tags, which is a good sign, usually. On top, we have a large LuLaRoe kimono shawl. It's cute. I just wish it wasn't like LuLaRoe, but that's okay. Western wear, lacy top. I'm not sure. Oh, it's a skirt. My bad. It's a skirt. This is Betro Simone maxi dress. This is No Boundaries Walmart tank top. Rafaela pullover top. All right, next up we have new tags. Macy's strapless bra. Calvin Klein, size 36B. Venus tank top. We have a Ralph Lauren dress. Paper crane tank top. Topshop white shirt. This is a Massimo Target dress. Looks unique. Joa, J-O-A, Los Angeles. I think this is a good brand. Not for certain. Striped plaid checker dress. I see something furry in here. It's not the dog. Calvin Klein dress. Loft pants. Edited sweatshirt that says play with my emotions. More fuzzy stuff. This is definitely a more winter box. This is a no tag cardigan, thermal. Yep, no tags. Okay, we have a Forever 21 sweater. This is really soft. Sir Oya long sleeve white tee with, I guess, you can see the twist in the front. Onto the fuzzy items. This is a rabbit jacket. new tags from Spick and Span. It's definitely seen better days. It's missing some spots. This almost looks like a blanket. This is Casting LA pink fuzzy coat. This is what was taking up most of the space in the box. We have Old Navy khaki pants. This is new tags. 32-degree heat women's leggings. It's like base layer leggings. Live in the Moment green long sleeve top. Pink Clover boutique long sleeve top. It's really cute. New collections. Strapless dress. Ambiance Apparel cable knit sweater. Don't know where the front or top of this item is. Let's see. I have no idea what this is. This is a lot of material. I literally don't know what this is. It's a long sleeve dress. It's very heavy. It has a tag on it, but it doesn't tell me anything other than nothing. Just a lot of fabric. Anti-Star from TJ Maxx t-shirt. No comment. Sweatshirt hoodie. Charlotte Russe sparkly tank top. Very sad Daniel Rain sweater that definitely got dried and it shouldn't have been. Verona Target V-neck t-shirt. Old Navy long sleeve blouse. Love Fire long sleeve blouse. Another sweater. Soho jeans. Forever 21 mini skirt. Old Navy long sleeve blouse. Parisian mini dress. Romper, excuse me. FSL Apparel, never heard of this. Short sleeve t-shirt. Lay suit, dress pants. New York and Company pink sweater. Ooh, this is a good brand. Tucker Nuck. It's a tunic shirt. Brandy Melville. Cute little bodycon dress. Hollister baby tee. Croft and Borrow turtleneck. the limited mini skirt or pencil skirt. Let's see, we're about halfway through. Uniqlo leggings, joggers, I guess. This is new tags from Kohl's. Pink Republic open weave sweater. This is cute. Let's see what else we got in here. Shein top. This is like high quality, so I'm surprised it's from Shein, but that is what it is. This feels new tags from Forever 21. Black top. Old Navy, plain black sweatshirt. Caribe, purple top. Emery Park sweater. More black dress pants. Tapata. Never heard of these. Got leggings from a brand I don't know. It's got an H on the back. The tag. Zara sweater. That's cute. Forever 21 leggings. H&M blouse. Amazon Essentials basic t-shirt. This is new tags from Nordstrom Rack. What brand is it? Sweet Romeo. Turtleneck sweater with stars, which I didn't see those. That's cute. Let's see. J. Crew extra small sweater. Bottom of this box is a little better than the top. Let's see. Gap linen skirt. Wet seal dress of some sort. There we go. It's cute. I'm very impressed that people still have wet seal clothing in their closets. Got a Gap gray sweatshirt. Sag Harbor top. An Aerie from American Eagle sweatshirt. It's cute. This is Self-Esteem little vintage mini skirt. Charlotte Russe mini skirt. I don't know what this brand is. Kenji, I think. Shorts. Gonna have to look that up. Massimo black shorts. A sweatshirt that says acid wrap. Very unique. Alright, Forever 21 top. Fashion Wildcat cardigan. J. Crew skirt. Elizabeth and James tank top. New tags, H&M white blouse. This is cute. No tag. Pink ballet skirt. I have a few more items left in the box. We've got wearing your heart on your sleeve, small sweater. Express mini skirt, very sparkly. H&M brown blouse. Have a J. Crew professional dress. Some weird Chinese brand romper bodysuit, jumpsuit. Talbots white skirt. Zaya active pants with some stains. Worthington sweater. A couple more items in the box. Forever 21 long sleeve blouse. Hourglass Lily dress. Gilly boutique shirt. And last we have this new tags glitzy like chainmail top. So that's all I got in that Thredup box. I'll say it was a little better than the second box, but not as good as the first. I'm okay with that. So we're gonna finish this video, and I appreciate you all for watching, and tune in real soon for the fourth and last unboxing of my Thredup reseller rescue boxes. This is Ashley. See you next time. Bye.